Hello, in this video I will show you how you can stop your iPhone from downloading new email messages in the background and only get new emails when you're in the Mail app. The main benefits of doing this are to help you with battery life, and it also puts you in charge of when you get new emails. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down to Apps and tap it. Next, scroll down to Mail and tap it. Tap on Mail Accounts. Next, tap on Fetch New Data. Then, toggle Push to the off position. Next, go to each mail account and tap on Manual. Once you are done, under Fetch at the bottom, tap on Manually. What will now happen is no emails will be downloaded or sent in the background. If you want to get or send emails, you'll need to open your Mail app and manually sync them. Thanks for watching. I hope you found the video useful. If you want more iPhone and iOS tips and tricks like this one, I have a playlist of them here on the left, and if you want to watch my latest video, it's here on the right. Lastly, if you could, please give the video a like and consider subscribing for more tips just like this one.